Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today I will show you how to reset the tire warning light on any car. So, do you think this is possible? Oh yeah, it's a big yes. So let's go. To reset the tire warning light on most cars, the method varies depending on the make and model. Here are some general steps you can try. Number 1, you need to check and adjust the tire pressure. Before resetting the warning light, ensure all tires, including the spare, are inflated to the recommended PSI. You can find this information in the owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Number 2, use the TPMS reset button. Turn the ignition to the on position and locate the TPMS reset button, usually under the steering wheel, near the dashboard, or inside the glove box. Press and hold the button until the TPMS light blinks 3 times. Then release it. Now start the car and let it run for a few minutes. The warning light should be gone. Number 3, use the vehicle's infotainment or dashboard controls. Some cars have a TPMS reset option within the infotainment system or dashboard menu. Remember, the exact menu names may vary depending on your car model, and below are some examples. Option 1, go to menu. Go to settings. Go to tire pressure. Now then reset. Option 2, go to menu. Go to car. Go to tire pressure. Go confirm the correct pressure. Then press OK. Option 3, go to menu. Go to settings. Go to service. Go to tire pressure. Then reset. Option 4, go to menu. Then go to settings. Go to TPMS. Then reset. Most of the time, you just need to follow on-screen instructions to reset, and this will depend on your car model. Number 4, just drive the car. In many modern vehicles, you just need to fix the tire issue and put the correct tire pressure, and the TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system will reset automatically after driving at a steady speed, usually above 20 miles per hour, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Number 5 is probably the last option to consider if the fault persists. Just disconnect the battery. If the light won't turn off, try disconnecting the car battery for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will reset the vehicle's computer, but you may lose other settings. If the TPMS light stays on, even after resetting, there could be an issue with a sensor, a puncture, or the TPMS module itself. In that case, a professional diagnosis may be needed. By following this step by step, you should be able to reset your car tire warning. But if you have a specific car model in mind, watch my other videos about the same topic. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you don't miss my other amazing videos to help resolve your issues.